This is a case study of one of my clients, and if you wanna take notes, feel free to do so, and let's get into the video. So this is what we are gonna cover today. So this guy is a doctor and he does paid one-on-one injury consults for combat athletes, and he books clients off of YouTube almost every single week. Here's the weird part, because his videos don't blow up, and you can see from these numbers, most creators would call this channel failing. Meanwhile, the guy has a full calendar. I know because I rebuilt his packaging. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I changed and why it failed his calendar instead of his view count. So first of all, his content fooled the wrong crowd. When we started, I watched through his channel. Content was genuinely good. He knows his field, comfortable on the camera, and also he has a clinic. So nothing to fix there. The problem was who the videos were reaching. Picture who clicks a general physio video. So back from sitting all day wants a free stretch routine. Watches the whole thing and leaves a nice comment and never spends $1. His channel was full of them. So instead of asking how to get more views, I asked who actually pays the man. A combat athlete with a specific injury mid-fight camp. His knee just gave out and a fight coming up, so money is on the line. That person needs a doctor this week. Every title and thumbnail after that had one job: talk to that person and nobody else. What I actually changed is when a big UFC card comes up, a fighter on it has a known injury history, or if a fight breaks out and the fighter gets injured, we make the video about that exact injury and we name it in the title and show a visual on the thumbnail. Anyone searching for that fight runs straight into his videos because he's the first one to break down the injury. And these are some of the analytics we've got on his videos. This is the exact thing we do when a fight goes out. We immediately goes to the fight and he breaks down the video. So yeah, you can see the analytics here. And quick note before someone comments this, because I know someone will, his CTR sits around 4 to 6%, and generally I don't give a shit about CTR because it's a useless metric when it comes to YouTube most of the time. When a video performs, YouTube shows it to cold audiences and the CTR settles as reach expands. Holding 4 to 6% while YouTube keeps widening the audience means the video is genuinely good. And he said it better than I could. This is a message he sent me. That's why I'm not as concerned with views and subscribers as some other creators. I have a highly monetizable audience. Naturally, he stopped caring about views, because the people clicking were fighters with the exact same injury he treats. Compare that to a generic knee pain video. Way more views, but the viewer is a random person on a couch. The fight timed videos pulls a fraction of the traffic and half the people watching are his actual customer. The title and thumbnail decides that before the video even played. So the results, where did those people go after watching? You might think the results are these, and neither me or he cares about these analytics because this doesn't pay him. We care about these people who come to his offer. Basically, where did those people go after watching? The people who had the most urgency to get rid of the injury or whatever they think they needed help with, they went straight into his offer and to his booking page and booked a call after filling the form. Other people, we didn't let them go to waste. We made a free school community that people can join. So after a time, if they get an injury, the leads are already warm and they know who to reach out to take a call. And he said he gets calls from his community as well. And there's this message, my favorite piece of proof in the whole case study. Yeah, it's a pretty good one too. I get one-on-one clients like that almost every week. He books one-on-one clients almost every week off of a channel most people will look at and call small or failing. Maybe you are thinking cool story, but he's a doctor. I'm a coach. My situation is different. Is it too? Because he sells a high-ticket one-on-one service to people who finds him on YouTube. Tell me how that's different from what you do. It's the same exact business model, and if your packaging talks to everyone in your niche, you are collecting the free tip crowd that this doctor was collecting before we started working together. And your calendar already knows it. Work out who actually pays you and rebuild your titles and thumbnails for that one person. And one thing to take into consideration here is that you need to focus on the idea more, because if your core video idea is aimed at a beginner, that won't work, because no matter what you do with your packaging editing, your video will still be relevant only to beginners or the people who won't pay you. So focus on the idea first and then the packaging. And basically that's a full breakdown. A doctor with an ordinary looking channel booking clients every week because the packaging puts his videos in front of the people who hire him. If your channel gets decent views and your calendar stays empty, your packaging is doing the opposite of what he is doing. Most people can't see it on their own channel, and that's exactly why he brought me into his channel. I do this for coaches, consultants, and the booking link is the first thing in the description. If you're not ready for a call, just DM me. There's my socials in the description and my website. So see you in the next one.